me want something.
What?
A blizzard! Let's go make one.
Come on. First, you're gonna need to pick which ice cream you like best. I want this one.
I'm lactose intolerant, so I have to have a special kind of ice cream.
Scoop your ice cream in the bowl. Next, add your ingredients. I want
Butterfingers.
Butterfingers, and M&ms. Mix it up. Scoop it in a bowl.
I use these Reese's, these brownies, and a little bit of Butterfinger.
She's holding her little toy. Watching the ice dance. Mix it up. Yes, you.
Oh.
Now give it a taste.
I like it.
I love it. It went in the bowl.
Okay.
What do you think, Hadley?
I think that if I was at a restaurant, I would rate this ice cream 10 million stars.
Oh.
Oh,
Except for that part.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Comment down below.
No, well, that's all.
What?